Hey Eagles, welcome back. So today I should probably go on the other side. Yeah, I'm just installing this car seat. Oof, it's cold. Right. Ooh. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just installing this car seat. We really don't know what we're doing, but we're trying to figure it out because it should not be rocket science.
Actually read it.
Huh?
Actually read the thing. So it's not. So you wanna put them facing that way, not this way. There are two hooks here. The anchor. See, child anchor.
Mm-hmm.
Anchor. They're underneath here. So that's the one.
Okay.
And then on the next one, that's it. So we want this to be snug. So
Gonna tighten
and
that.
then to just pull this to get it down.
Hmm.
And want to get it as tight as possible. Press down on this to get it tight. Because you don't want the seat to be moving. I want to get it very, very tight to make sure. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's not moving now. So just to store that, and then seat is good. So I'm gonna put the car seat on it now. So we could either do this or we could use this strap.
Oh, okay.
But I rather use that because it will be like this and over all kind of nonsense. Yeah, I think it's level with the go. That it's in place. So it is good to go.
No, why is it shaking so much?
It's not it's just it's not the foundation that's shaking, it's just the car seat.
That was pretty easy.
So yeah. So it's actually um
But
the
so
anchor.
it's not gonna be anchored in, like.
It is anchored here. So
But
this
you
is
lifted it, Lee. You lifted it so easily.
not with the with this.
Oh,
So it can't come out otherwise.